From the outside looking in, it looks like a fairly normal game of football, but the stories that we're repeatedly hearing from participants are quite staggering, really, because we're hearing about how people feel that the project's helped save their lives, and it's something you wouldn't necessarily ever consider unless you've suffered with a mental health condition yourself.
It's given me a positive attitude on not just football and how to play football, but life itself. Like I said, I'd be at home now. I wouldn't be out enjoying the sun. I wouldn't be making friends like I am. I'm happy after 3 years to be part of that.
So the boys come up every Thursday and we try and do a little bit of a warm-up and a little bit of a structured session, and at the end we tend to have a game, like getting them ready for things like this, and then we have a bit of a drink after, sometimes because we got the Lakeside Cafe, sometimes we go up there and we have a sit down and just a little bit of a chat. So it's just a little bit more than just playing football then, it's getting them out and doing some other stuff as well.
That must have a massive positive impact on them as well.
Yeah, like to see the boys not just playing football but socialising outside of that as well. It's really, really good, and like it's one of my highlights of my week.
Yeah, absolutely. And seeing the smile on their face must be amazing.
Yeah, I would like to have seen a goal, but we'll worry about that another day. But no, for the boys to be out and be happy, that's all that matters.
How important is it to kind of get people out, get people involved, and see them having fun playing football?
Yeah, it's massive. I mean, when it was set up as a football programme, you're looking at an hour of football a week, but it's far more than that. We tend to have a half-hour session at the end where people can have a chat, maybe talk about something positive in their life, maybe talk about some troubles they've had. From the programme started, like I said, 3 years ago, we've got people who are now paid staff who've come through the We Wear the Same Shirt programme. Newport County has benefited from half a dozen volunteers at match day, and they feel part of something, so there's lots of benefits. They've been to places they've never been. They played in front of 6,000 people at Swindon Town, and we got battered but won 1-0, so all the crowd was cheering their names and all. Yeah, it's brilliant. Days like this, they're giving opportunities that they thought they'd never have.
I just think, a lot of people suffer with it behind closed doors and that, and I think if we can come out and be together, and it shows that a lot of people are coming out, and it is all right to speak about it, and like people shouldn't be afraid to go and talk to other people and things like that. There's a lot of people and places out there they can go and have a chat about it and stuff, so yeah.
I'm a known epileptic, and it helps me release a lot of stuff around going on about my epilepsy. For the last 2 years, it's made me feel free, it's made me feel my epilepsy shouldn't bother me, and whether I've got epilepsy or not, I should just move on and just enjoy what I'm doing and release all the pressure that it builds on the inside.
I think it's a really fantastic programme, really. It gives people who are suffering from mental health or have had problems with mental health in the past an opportunity to come together with like-minded people and take part in football to come out and maybe take their mind off of things, but also it's a kind of judgment-free environment, so everyone knows they're all kind of in the same boat. So it's a great opportunity for them to mix and meet and discuss their kind of issues with each other. So it's been fantastic for them, for their social aspect, for them to grow and develop and become part of a team with people they might not ordinarily kind of socialise with outside of football.
We're growing the project incrementally. It's having a massive impact on the participants. So we're really just trying to build on that and just demonstrate what a game of football and development of a social network can actually mean to an individual. And it's, as I said before, it's really staggering the results that people are experiencing.